Hi viewers, just a quick update. I installed this solar array for my TC Max, the Super Soco, and it'll charge the battery obviously, plus it'll run other things in my garage and also the house, the air conditioner and things like that. So the Super Soco is charging now. Let's go up and have a look at that. So here are the panels, and they just run up here into the garage. And then the Super Soco is just charging here at the moment. Got my main incoming. I've got two low voltage inputs and one high voltage solar input. These ones are on the roof of the garage. And then they go down here to a jackery. It's a 6,000 kilowatt. It's a split phase. So it's two phases plus neutral, so I can run other appliances as well. So at the moment it's running the air conditioning in the house, plus the Super Soco charger here, so it doesn't cost me a cent to charge the bike. And if we look at the screen here, let's see if we can get that shade out of the way. So I've got 1,500 watts coming in, and I'm only using 200 watts on the output, so it's charging the battery in this system here, as well as running the air conditioning and as well as running the Super Soco. So that's excellent. Okay, that's it for me. Just a quick little update there on what I'm doing with the TC Max.